Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I know it has been some time since I last made a Zippo lighter video. But here is something that I would really like to show you all within this white envelope here. This is something that is vintage. It has now become rare, uncommonly seen nowadays. Alright, let's flip this envelope over to face its front. This is the exterior packaging of the Zippo Wicks self-seal card. We shall now take a look inside the envelope to see what this self-seal card, Zippo Wick self-seal card, is actually about. Let's remove its content. So here is the back face. Turning it over. And look at that. This, my friends, is a true representation of how Zippo lighters wicks would be sold back in the days. Looking at the hole punch on the top, it would be hung at any retail counters or a shop. This is in a great condition, being unused in a new old stock condition. Let's take a look at that. 25 cents each. Zippo wicks fits most wick lighters. There would be 24 individually packed Zippo wicks within its plastic sleeves. Sometimes the older ones would be in a wax paper sleeve instead. Here there would be 6, and along this row there would be 18. Each of them have also been individually stapled with this cardboard display board. Looking at this back, even the staples are in great condition. What a beauty! Based on the information I found on the Zippo Enthusiast Network forum, packaging similar as this with the 25 cents price tag may have dated from the 1980, though not ruling out possibility that it might be earlier. If anyone has further information about this, do drop a comment in the comment section below so that we can engage with further discussions. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and find such an item fascinating to look at, just as I'm feeling right now. Do consider subscribing to my channel for upcoming videos of unique Zippo lighters and items, and do give this video a thumbs up if you can. I have been and I am still seeking to find rare and unique Zippo related items for sharing with you guys, though it might take some time. So I thank you all for watching this video, and during these times of difficulties, do stay safe and have a great one.